talks about all these Connect PNG infrastructure programs. And road is just one part, which is DIP 2.1, deliberate intervention number 2.1. The rest from 2.2 all the way down to 2.8, he comes into that in communication space, our team from DataCo, and building the communication infrastructure. So that's basically the arrangement is there to help us so that we're working to implement some of these major key government programs. And I'm glad our CEO and his team from DataCo has approached us to do an MOU so that we can work where we run the roads. The communication cables are being run through each of the national highway network we have. So that's basically the intent of this particular MOA that we have today, so that during those construction we can able to also install our conduits, main cable lines, so that in the event that when they are running it, it's easy for them to get up during the implementation of those programs. So look, that's basically the objective of us having this MOA, having to work in partnership with our state-owned entities to deliver government programs. So let me welcome our media for making your time available to come. As always, to support the government in terms of getting the information out to public on what the government programs and policies are being undertaken. So I think my team from works as well, our Deputy Mr. Coupe and your team, FAS, Angelos, and Lola and the team here from ICT, Kelsey and everyone else, Shupla, have been communicating on the event poll, on the discussions on us having to try and improve our internet capacity and space in how we do business in works. And we've made improvements. So thank you for that input that your team has provided to us in terms of our internet infrastructure, so that we could be able to provide our reliable service to our people, especially in communications of what we serve here. So I would like to allow maybe CEO to say some few words, and then eventually we can get a media response after we do the MOA signing.
Secretary has really summed up the purpose of our meeting today, the gathering, the signing of this MOU. I'll explain it from a data perspective, I think, and our experience so far as our business has been progressing. We are only about 11 years in operation, and our success is really attributed to strategic partnerships. We've been in a strategic partnership with institutions like NBC and PNG Power already. With PNG Power has helped us a lot in connecting up the country, connecting up PNG, especially the mainland. So we will be looking at this form of partnership going forward in rolling out of the infrastructure. Secretary mentioned we are not new to the Connect PNG program. We've been part of it. We are part of the steering committee. Unfortunately, we did not really were involved in most of the scoping, the projects that are ongoing now, and maybe not only us, PNG Power and probably Water PNG, those utility companies. Yes. But I think this MOU now sets the framework to govern our relationship, so we can closely work together. We depend on the road network as much as the Works Department also will depend on the digital network that we are building for the country. So that interdependency is there. So this MOU is twofold. Basically. One, we will benefit a lot in using the road networks that are established by Works Department to put in our infrastructure, which is the digital road network for the country we are building, but also supporting Department of Works now in the digital transformation program, which we've started already, and we can see some good progress in relation to that. So yes, it is a very important milestone now for Works to at least recognize us officially, and we can try and work together going forward with some of those key projects linking our country. It's been a challenge for us in certain places, especially up in the Highlands and Mumase, even New Guinea Islands as well. Using PNG power infrastructure alone to put in digital infrastructure, especially fiber, is a challenge still for us. So we're hoping with this partnership now we can also utilize the road networks that they are maintaining or building new, connecting up the country, that we can also lay our fiber underground in the ducts that will be provided. So that is the understanding now going forward. So it's not just something on paper. We want to really see some results in some of the key projects. I think we've got some priority areas we want to connect in terms of digital connectivity. We want to sit down with the team that works and talk about how best we can be incorporated to the projects, and we can roll out the infrastructure that we're supposed to. So I think that's the crutch of this gathering today now. So it's forging that relationship, that understanding, putting the team together now. Hopefully some of the next project you will see us beside Secretary also celebrating the completion, the success of this project together as a team. So I think that's my comment in relation to that. But Secretary, the team is here. We will support you in your digital transformation. We've been attending a workshop already, and anything you need from us, please let us know. And Jaime and Une and Delma is working closely with your team. Our engineering team also there. They're not represented today, but I think we are.
Yes.
So we will
You already here.
yeah, but I think with that now, thank you for finally recognizing us officially, and then let's see how we can go about in this relationship.